Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm so excited to introduce our new feature in our platform. We now support the Create Assistant, OpenAI Assistants creation. We just implemented. It's a native integration in our platform now. So if you are on our workspace, logged into your Rapidbott workspace, you can find this on integrations. If you click on OpenAI, we have two tabs added here. One is files and assistant. So if you go to the files, you can upload a file that you need, like the database or knowledge base for the assistant that you're gonna create. In assistants tabs, you can create a assistant that what do you like how you that you want for your business. For example, if you want to automate your customer support FAQs, these kind of things, you need an assistant. You can create an assistant for it. So you can upload a knowledge base. So in order to do, just create and just upload the file. Click on the upload. You can upload, like for example, for this demo, I'm just showing a basic demo. It's a PDF with 9 to 11 or 12 pages or something. So I'm just uploading a document here which I have the information for the assistant that I'm uploading here. I will show you a basic workaround how you can build your own AI assistant for your business. So here you can see we just uploaded a docs demo PDF. So there is a file ID also there. If you head on to your OpenAI account, your playground, if you click on the files, you can see the PDF we just uploaded. It's automatically synced here. Now let's create an assistant. Head on to assistants tab. You can click on the new button, and by default it will be on GPT-4. One thing you need to understand, like when you upload a file or something, the retrieval, the model which can retrieve the information for the file you are submitting, it's only supported with these two models. So by default anyway it will be on GPT-4. Just leave as it is. Then give a name for your assistant. So for example, I'm giving a AI demo. This you can leave empty. Instruction, if you want to provide some instruction, that you can provide here. This will determine the behavior of the AI. So please, for example, for the demo, let's give something like this. Please use the contents below, given below, and answer answer in first person. Yes, like this is an instruction we are giving to the model, the AI assistant. So let's choose a file. Like from the files, we can select this document that we just uploaded. So let's create. As you can see, we will get an assistant ID and a file also mapped to that assistant. Let's head on back to your playground. If you go to the assistants tab, you can see the assistant that we just created now. So it automatically get mapped in your playground OpenAI account. You don't need to go there and create everything. Like we have a native integration supported. So let's head back to the flow builder. I have set up a basic flow to understand how this entire thing works. So here you can see we have a question block where the user types something, we are collecting the input, and head on to the OpenAI assistant. We have the create assistant completion. Like in the OpenAI integration, the action block, we have made couple of changes in the current existing integration. You can see a lot of changes we made. Little bit UI, we made it little cleaner now. It's little clean, and we added the assistant API integration. So here you can see assistant completion. This is what we are gonna use today. So I already selected. Now we need to update the assistant because we just created a new assistant now. So let's copy this ID. We need this assistant ID that you can get it. Let's clear this. Yeah, you can get it from the integration tab. And model, you can leave it because we already defined as GPT-4 that you don't need to add it again. If you want to override, you want to use a different model, you can give a different model name here. So last test input will have the, anyway, whatever the user is typing, the input it will always store in the system variable. So you can map that variable here. So instruction here again, I added another instruction. So the reply I wanted to be on shorter and easy readable format, and also give an instruction to add emojis. So let's test it out. The current document which I uploaded is this one. This is a PDF file I uploaded. This is regarding the our knowledge base on Rapidbott platform itself. So there is a tab where we have the pricing plans described. Here you can see we have a pricing plan described. So let's ask the same question to the as an input. Let's check it out. Let's test the input. So now it's the file we given. It's low. It's trying to read the content in the file. Let's give it a couple of seconds to get the input and get the output from that. So here you can see we got an response. So the file ID, it's showing that the file ID which we have. Let's see, this is the file ID showing. It's getting the file ID which we uploaded previously, and the model also showing the model that we predefined in the assistant. And let's head back to the content section. Here you can see in test, it is actually getting the content which we have in the PDF file. So what you can do is you can map this into a variable. Like you can create a new variable that you want, or you can use an existing variable. Like if you want to create a new variable, just type something and click on it. So for example, reply, something like that. So then you can save into this particular variable. I already have created a variable, so which is called AI out. So once it is done, you can save into that variable and click on the add button. So it will be whenever this block is executing, this output will be stored in this variable. So like we are just printing that variable again in the question block, so that we can map it again back into the like our AI block, and it will keep on running. So let's publish this. Let's do a quick preview. Currently this flow is connected to one of my WhatsApp chatbot, our chatbot. So let's preview this flow. Let me type AI, like it's a keyword to trigger the specific flow. So here you can see how may I help you. This question is asking, let me ask the pricing plan. Let's see how it will look like. So yeah, I'm asking the question pricing plans. Let's see how the AI will respond. Yeah, now we got a response, we got a reply. See, here is the breakdown of background pricing plan for you. So whatever data we provided, and it also adding the emojis as per our instruction that we have provided in the assistant. That here we already given instruction to the our assistant, like to use the content, but it also whatever instruction you're giving here, it will overwrite and it will try to use this instruction and try to make the response, create the reply accordingly. So here you can see we asked to add emojis, so AI is adding emojis to our content. So let me ask another question. What is Rapidbott? So here is another question I am asking. Let's see how it will be responding to this. So try to use a small document or something, because if your database is so big, you have a lot of content, it might take a little bit time to create the reply or response back. Give a response back. As you can see, it's an overall idea about what is Rapidbott, all this information, what it can do, all about our platform says, because we have the data, or we are providing all the data about the platform, everything in the this is our knowledge base. So based on that is creating the response. So this is how you can create a AI assistant for your own business and automate your customer support or FAQs. So if you have further questions, feel free to contact us or reach out to our support team, or comment below in this video. We will definitely get back to you or provide any help you needed. Thank you.